I put gelatin in my toilet and now my friends want the recipe for the amazing results. I will start today's tip by adding 200 milliliters of hot water and 25 grams of strawberry gelatin in a container. Then we must mix very well until the gelatin has completely diluted in water. I'm sure you will be surprised by this tip and that it is different from any mixture that I have used to date. Next, we will also add 150 milliliters of disinfectant. This being the item responsible for bringing the cleanliness that your bathroom needs. I'm sure you will no longer have your dirty toilet after using this tip. We will also add a tablespoon of salt, being an indispensable item for facilitating the removal of dirt. To finish, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda, being one of the main items for cleaning by its alkaline effect. Once we mix one last time, we will have the mixture ready. To get to the ideal point for use, we will have to put all the liquid in a bottle, and to avoid waste, we will also use a funnel. To bring the consistency, we will only take the refrigerator for 3 hours, or until the mixture is firm. Once this time is over, I will use scissors to open the bottle and then cut the mixture into smaller pieces. And before I forget, tell me which city is watching us to send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Tajam Baruni from Greece. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Once cut, we will have several pieces for use. Now we will also use a disposable mask, being necessary with the use of scissors cut one of the sides, so we will have a part for support and we can use the mixture we prepared. Just being necessary now, put a piece of our tip, and then close with the cut part. Best of all, you can store in your refrigerator the other pieces that were not used, or even use in other bathrooms in the same way. Each part of these can be used for up to a week. To finish, it is only necessary to put in the toilet bowl. Leaving in contact with water for at least 10 minutes, we have already achieved the expected result. After this, just using the discharge, we can already notice the cleaning performed and the aroma of the environment. Even after use, we will not have any bad smell in the bathroom. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.